Good morning.
Alright, I'm a big potato.
You're a big Tado. You're a Tado, are you? Good morning. It is 6:23. Me and the boy have been awake for an hour. Get your cat. Get your cat. Get your cat. I let the cats come up and they're now just causing havoc, and Gary's about to try and jump into my makeup counter. Gary! Just shut that cupboard, Mika, so he can't go in it. Bloody cats. Who'd have 4 cats? Fox.
What? Whoa.
Ow. Just threw a cat at me with claws out. Butt face. It may well be the fluff, but he still has claws. I don't know what's happening today. My internet is being connected. Stop tickling him. Stop tickling him. Are you ready to go downstairs?
Yeah.
Whichever one you want, mate. What are you making?
Toad.
Don't touch it. It's too hot now. Who's got hiccups?
Me.
Who had his jabby jabs? Who had his jabbies?
Me.
Can I see your sticker? Oh, wow. Did she give you that for being brave?
Yeah.
Where did they do your jabbies?
From...
Was it in your leggies?
No.
Where was it? Where was your jabbies? No.
I want my hand.
No, you don't need to, and your hands are very cold.
Why?
Yes, they are.
I'm washing them.
Can't remember if I've actually filmed anything today. It is 11:23. I've spent all morning trying to set up my new internet and Sky. I've got the internet working. My hair is horrific today. I just look like a potato. Fox is in there, the telly's working in there, and the internet is working in there. I'm now trying to set up this one. And I've got these little puck things. It worked out like I was paying like £120 a month or something ridiculous for TV and internet. And then I set up my own account and I got it for 57 for everything. So much better. I've done another painting. I'm going to show you. I sold one of my paintings last night. I did this one yesterday, which I absolutely love it. I love it so much. I've made this as well. This isn't finished yet. This is a hefty thingy. I made that. One there. I've made one here for my friend. I can show you this now because she will be here. Let's just stick it to the box. Well done, Lucy. My friend will be here and then this vlog will go up, so she'll have already had it. Oh, I love it so much. Her favourite colours are green and purple, so I wanted it to be all the greens and all the purples for her. Oh, I love it so much. It's hard to, when it's laying down, it's harder to see, but like now it's up. I'm so pleased with that. Yeah, that is for my best friend. I need to sort this room out again. Look at it, it's just a state. So bad. Like this room needs to be good for chocolate. Like I've relaunched. I haven't relaunched, but I've re-registered. So I think I can start on the 10th of February. So I'll take orders the week before, ready to give them out and get them done on the 10th is the plan. Yeah, I sold my pink and oranges and red. I'll put a picture of it here. I sold that yesterday. I did proper happy tears. Someone bought that, I couldn't believe it, and the lady that bought it was just absolutely amazing. She was so nice and so lovely, and we've known each other on Instagram for a long time. And she messaged, and I messaged her and said, oh my god, I can't believe you just bought it. And she said, I've loved it. I had to wait for the go ahead from my husband. And it's just like, it's just so nice. I've loved painting since I was a kid, but just never really took the time for it. And I'm really enjoying it now. So yeah, The house is a shit tip. Everything's just gone to pot today when I've been trying to do this, because we obviously the power cut this week where I couldn't do anything. And then yesterday was just Baltic. What day is it today? Wednesday. Yeah, Monday was the power cut. Tuesday, I had Mika's parents' evening and went really, really well. She's doing amazing. They're really, really pleased with her. They just want her to be a little bit more confident in class, like putting her hand up and stuff. But that will come. So I'm really proud of her for that. And yeah, today Foxy had his preschool jabs this morning and he was so brave. Like, they did one and he started to like cry, and I flipped him round and she did the other one, and she'd finished that one before he'd finished crying about that one, so it was fine. Yeah, but the house is just a mess. I need to get on it. I'm picking my friend up tomorrow at 1 o'clock, and then I have to drive straight back here and get the girls from school. But I think the plan is drop Fox in the morning, come home, blitz the house downstairs. Upstairs is fine. Blitz the downstairs. It's not going to take me long. Go get Fox and then go and get my friend. So that is the plan. I just want to try and get this bloody telly set up. So that is what I'm going to do now, and I'm going to have some lunch. Hey. It is 6:45. Everybody is washed.
No.
Had their hair washed and showered, including me. The girls are in here. I don't know why they're sitting in here. This is what I did yesterday. This is the mirror that my mum has given Mika. And this is the room that I've set up for my best friend and her little boy. I just need to, this is Mika's school clothes, and this is some washing I need to put away, and she's bringing pillows tomorrow. But that is ready for her for the next few days. Sausage boy is zonked. He had his preschool jabs this morning, so we had two injections, one in each arm, and he was really, really brave. But yeah, I think he's just a bit knackered, so I've given him some Calpol. And what we do is, when it's shower night for them, because they only have 2 showers a week and a bath, when it's shower night, we just he goes first on his own, and then once he gets out, one of the girls goes in and I help them wash their hair while getting him dry, and then he just sits in his bed and plays his tablet, sort of just to wind down for the day. And then by the time I'm in the shower, he's asleep in the bed. So yeah, it's our little routine. Ooh. I can't wait for my friend to get here. She's gonna wax my legs, and I'm gonna see if she'll let me film it, because it's gonna be hilarious. I've got the hairiest legs ever in preparation for this wax. I don't even know if they're too long, maybe, we'll see. That was an overshare, you're welcome. I did some new designs tonight for my card business. I woke up at about 2 o'clock this morning, and I thought of the idea, and I grabbed my tablet, and my tablet's got like a sketch pad on it, so I drew out what I wanted to do, and then went back to sleep so that it was there ready for the morning. I promptly forgot about it, and then when I went to play, I get my tablet for Ari to play on this afternoon, I saw it and I was like, oh, I should probably put those and make them into cards. So I made them into cards, and yeah, now they're in my Etsy shop. I think that's it. I really need to try and stay awake at night longer so that I can get up later, because I'm literally from 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm like, oh, wide awake, ready for the day. I just need to force myself to stay up. I'm going to try and force myself to stay up till 10 tonight. My best friend who's coming tomorrow was like, are you watching Love Island? And I hadn't even realised the new one had started. And Love Island is horrific, I know it is, but I'm addicted to it. And she was like, okay, you need to watch them all before I come around tomorrow. I think there's only 3 episodes. And she wants to know who I fancy. And she has apparently written down who she thinks I'll fancy, and then put the date and the time next to it, and then taken a picture of it. So then once I've watched it and I'm up to date and I can tell her, she can see if she's right, because I bet she is. She always knows. Because we've known each other forever, so she knows me better than I know me. I don't know if she's been on any videos before. I'm very excited for you guys to meet her if she lets me film her. She's been on my Instagram. I just can't think if she's been on a vlog before. I don't know. She's amazing. She's just like, just the best person. I just love her so much. So yeah, I'm gonna try and stay awake for the next few hours. If anyone has any tips on how to stay awake, that would be appreciated. I think I just need to do a couple of nights of staying awake, and then I'll get back into the habit of not waking up at 4 AM, being ready for the bloody day. I will talk to you tomorrow.